Getting your first 100 subscribers on YouTube can be a challenge, but it's definitely possible. Just focus on creating great content, optimizing your videos, promoting your channel, and interacting with your audience. With a little effort, you'll be on your way to success. Here are some tips on how to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube in 2023. Number 1. Find your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? What can you teach others? Once you know your niche, you can start to create content that is relevant to your target audience. Number 2. Create high-quality content. This is the most important factor in attracting and retaining subscribers. Your videos should be well-produced, informative, and engaging. Invest in a good microphone and camera, and learn how to edit your videos effectively. Number 3. Optimize your videos for search. When people search for videos on YouTube, they're more likely to click on videos that have relevant titles and descriptions. Use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions, and make sure your thumbnails are eye-catching. Number 4. Promote your videos. Once you've created a great video, you need to get people to watch it. Share it on social media, post it on relevant forums and websites, and reach out to other YouTubers in your niche. Number 5. Interact with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and participate in discussions. This will help you build a relationship with your viewers and make them more likely to subscribe. Here are some additional tips. Create a consistent upload schedule. People are more likely to subscribe to channels that upload new videos on a regular basis. Collaborate with other YouTubers. This is a great way to get exposure to a new audience. Use YouTube Analytics to track your progress. This will help you understand what's working and what's not. Be patient. It takes time to build a following on YouTube. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep creating great content and promoting your channel, and eventually you'll start to see growth. Here are some specific tips for creating content that will attract subscribers. Choose topics that are popular and relevant to your target audience. You can use YouTube Analytics to see what topics are trending and what people are searching for. Create videos that are informative and engaging. Teach your viewers something new or entertain them with a funny or interesting story. Make your videos high quality. Invest in a good microphone and camera, and learn how to edit your videos effectively. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first thing people will see when they browse for videos, so make sure it's eye-catching and relevant to your content. Write compelling titles and descriptions. Your title and description should give people a good idea of what your video is about and why they should watch it. By following these tips, you can get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube in 2023. Just remember to focus on creating great content, optimizing your videos, promoting your channel, and interacting with your audience. With a little effort, you'll be on your way to success.